Emergency spills can happen anywhere at any time. When these spills happen, staff must be prepared to respond. The Cleanup Biohazard Spill Kit was specifically designed to meet FDA 2013 Food Code 2501.11. Our innovative formula will pick up common large incidents without the use of a mop bucket and has been engineered to offer an antimicrobial barrier that protects the absorbent. In fact, independent laboratory results have shown treated surfaces with our antimicrobial barrier was effective against norovirus, E. coli, and over 100 different organisms. Our differentiators include single-dose packaging design that offers quick and effective response to large incidents, absorbs liquid solids and oils, and once applied, the contaminant becomes easily swept. After it is applied and removed with little to no airborne dusting, odor is encapsulated without the use of noxious perfumes. The kit includes basic tools for large biohazard removal so staff can readily respond to volatile situations, thus establishing a protocol that can be utilized within all facilities. Cleanup, the quick and effective solution to spills.